Josie and Ellie spent 3 hours and 40 minutes altogether on a recycling project. 30% of the total time was spent by Ellie. How much more time did Josie spend than Ellie? For this particular percentage question, you need to have your time topic taught to you. If you don't have, don't worry, I'll still teach you over here. So you'll be teaching you 2 topics in one for this particular video. Okay, so they say 35% of the total time was spent by Ellie. Then I asked for how much time did Josie spend than Ellie. So for this type of model, we try not to do the Josie and Ellie type of model. We'll do the Josie and Ellie type of model. So we know that Josie spent a longer time, so for Josie, it will be a longer bar, followed by Ellie, starting line, don't forget. So we know that Ellie spent 35%. If total is 100%, just take 100 minus 35, this will give you 65%. Okay, and the total time is 3 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, so sorry, it can seem a little bit unclear for you. This might be slightly, okay, wait, it's a little bit hard to adjust with just the mouse. Okay, so this might be a little bit clearer for you. Okay, so for 3 hours and 40 minutes, let's convert this to your minutes first. So 3 hours and 40 minutes. In 1 hour, you know that there are 60 minutes, right? So for 3 hours, this one is 180 minutes. Because 1 hour is 60, so 3 times 60 will give us 180 plus the 40 minutes. That will give us 220 minutes altogether. Since we know that Ellie spent 35% and Josie spent 65%, they're asking for how much time did Josie spend, which means it's just to find this one, which should be 65 minus 35, this will give us 30%. Okay, so just take 30% of the total time, which is 220 minutes, and what will that give us? Okay, I'm just going to use my calculator. You can use a calculator as well. So this will be 30%, which is like 0.3 multiplied by 220, this will be 66 minutes. Okay, done. The model, you can do everything.